Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the laptop so changes stick. Open Armory Crate right away, run it as administrator so you have full control. This prevents permission errors. Once done, make sure AC power is connected because some settings won't save on battery. Close competing utilities like third-party RGB managers to avoid conflicts. You're now ready to access the lighting module. This first step gives you the control interface and prevents common permission and sync problems before you change. Next, you choose which zones to change and why. Select keyboard, logo, and chassis independently for precise results. You will pick an effect like static for clarity or breathing for motion. Previewing shows how it looks in real time. Make adjustments to brightness and speed because high brightness drains battery and fast speeds can be distracting. If you want exact colors, use the color picker and set temperature. This lets you match peripherals or create readable backlighting for work versus gaming. Finally, apply and save your profile. Choose internal storage or cloud so your setup survives restarts. Then sync with Aura Sync if you want consistent lighting across ASUS devices. This ensures unified effects. Assign a hotkey for quick switching between profiles. If the lighting fails to apply, reinstall Armory Crate, check the lighting service is running, and update device firmware. These steps usually fix driver or service issues. If problems persist, power cycle the laptop and try again to force a reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.